Good day everyone! I am here at 102.3 Spirit FM to conduct an interview. Let us have a tour inside the radio station. Hi everyone, I am here at Radio Booth of Spirit FM with Miss Karen Heresano, also known as DJ Angeli. Hi po, DJ Angeli. So, ilang taon na po kayo here at Spirit FM?
I've been here for 19 years already.
Oh my God!
Ano po yung position mo sa work here?
I work as a radio department head.
So, I have here a few questions now. So, as a radio broadcaster or DJ, what are your preparations for work?
Actually, yung pinakaunang ginagawa ko before ako mag-program ay napaka-importante kasi kapag halimbawa broadcaster ka, kailangan ay prepared ka talaga. So, pinakauna, kailangan i-research yung topic mo thoroughly para makapag-provide ka ng informed commentary. So, second, I familiarize myself with the equipment and yung software. Siyempre, I practice my vocal delivery in station for clarity. So, kasi iba kasi pag radyo, iba pag nasa TV. So, pag radyo, hindi nakikita yung mga tao, di ba? Hindi ka nakikita. So, kailangan pag nag-talk ka on air, dapat clear everything, yung maiintindihan nila. Next, syempre, tinitest ko yung mga equipment beforehand kasi minsan nagkakaroon talaga ng mga problema technically. So, hindi inaasahan. Like, pag may phone touch interview, merong mga bigla napuputol, mga gano'n, nag-off ear. So, dapat alam mo or dapat alam ko kung paano siya i-troubleshoot.
When preparing for your radio show each day, what aspect do you prioritize?
The first aspect I prioritize is yung content. Siyempre, kailangan ko mag-select ng mga relevant and engaging topics. Second, yung audience ko, kailangan ko na yung topic ko ay matitailor yung content niya, matitailor kung sino, on madi-deliver ko to appeal dun sa target audience ko. Tapos next, yung timing, kailangan na alam ko yung flow ng show. And para ma-maintain ko yung interest ng mga listeners. And then, what else? Yung productions. It's here. So, production, kailangan kong makiko-coordinate with yung sa technical namin kasi minsan may mga pre-recorded segments and yung mga interviews tsaka mga soundbites. So, yun yung mga next na kailangan natin tingnan. And yung legal, so ibig sabihin, kailangan ko mag-adhere to broadcasting regulations tsaka din sa mga guidelines.
Can you share any tips or strategies you use to improve your communications and public speaking skills for radio broadcast?
Of course, pinaka-number one yung practice. Diba? Kailangan mo mag-practice regularly. So, ako kahit 19 years na ako dito sa broadcast, nagpa-practice pa rin ako. Next, nire-record ko pa rin yung sarili ko. So, paminsan-minsan, pag hindi ako satisfied sa ginagawa ko minsan sa show ko, nire-record ko siya. So, after that, after ng show, pinapakinggan ko siya, pinapanood ko siya. So, inaano ko siya, in-evaluate ko siya. So, maganda na you listen dun sa mga, kung ano yung mga feedback ng ibang mga kasamahan mo, ano tawag doon, kailangan mag-seek ng feedback from peers, from yung sa mga members mo, minsan sa mga boss ko, na ano ba, may i-evaluate mo ako, kumusta yung program ko, yung gano'n.
share any challenges that you had faced as a radio broadcaster or DJ, and how did you overcome it?
Sa challenges, marami. Kasama din yung sa technical issues. Minsan yun na, nag-malfunction yung mga equipment. And ma-overcome siya kasi kailangan talagang mayroong regular maintaining equipment tsaka may mga backup system na sinasabi. And next, yung pag sa broadcast kasi andun yung problem na time constraints, yung scheduling, yung mga deadlines, challenging yon. Kaya dapat palagi kang prepared para ma-deliver mo effectively yung mga content. And next, yung fairness, yun, kasama yun. Kailangan i-present mo lahat ng mga relevant viewpoints fairly and accurately. And integrity, kailangan mo maintain yung honesty and transparency sa pagbabalita. And also yung independence, kailangan i-avoid mo yung mga undue influence from external sources. And sensitivity, kailangan mo-exercise yung sensitivity mo when reporting dun sa mga, especially on mga sensitive topics tsaka mga events.
With radio, the listener absorbs everything. I am Diana Caparino, an ABCOM student of Emilianum College Incorporated, and that ends my video interview. Thanks for watching. The best!